In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Las Vegas. First, start by identifying the court listed on your ticket. The exact court name is printed right on the citation, and this matters because each court uses its own system. In the Las Vegas area, tickets may belong to the Las Vegas Municipal Court, the Las Vegas Justice Court, the North Las Vegas Justice Court, or the Henderson Court. Double check the heading and fine print on your ticket so you know which website to use later. Next, give the system time to post your ticket. Most citations take about 7 to 14 business days to appear online, and some can take up to 30 days. Nevada Highway Patrol tickets often take a bit longer. While you're waiting, set a reminder to check periodically and keep an eye on your due date so you don't miss it once the ticket becomes available. When you're ready to pay, go to the official payment website that matches your court. For the Las Vegas Municipal Court, use the Las Vegas Municipal Court payment portal at municourt.lasvegasnevada.gov. If you're not sure which site to use or you want a broader search, Nevada also provides a statewide traffic ticket portal through nvcourts.gov. Use official sites only to avoid third-party fees or scams. To find your case, use the portal's search tool. Enter your citation or ticket number if you have it. If not, you can usually search by your name and date of birth or by your driver's license number. Type your information exactly as it appears on your ticket to avoid typos that can prevent the system from finding your record. Once your case appears, review the details carefully. Confirm the fine amount, the due date, and the violation information. You'll also see your available options, which may include paying the fine, enrolling in traffic school, disputing the ticket, or requesting a hearing. If you see a traffic school or a reduced parking amendment option, note that some first-time violations may qualify for reduced penalties or no points depending on eligibility. Choose the payment option that fits your situation. Many portals let you pay the full fine, select a traffic school path, or accept a reduced amendment if it's offered to you. Read any on-screen notes so you understand what you're agreeing to before moving forward. When you're ready, pay online using a major credit card. Most courts accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Confirm the total, including any convenience fees, and submit your payment. Afterward, save your confirmation, download or screenshot the receipt, and keep it until your case status shows closed. Processing can take a few days, so don't worry if the update isn't immediate. That's it. You've paid your Las Vegas traffic ticket online.